Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying carrier support and grabbing the Esim QR or activation code. This is essential because the Pixel requires carrier credentials to provision a profile. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and you've backed up important data linked to your Google account. Now open Settings, tap Network and Internet, and select SIMs. Tap Add Carrier. This initiates scanning or manual entry. You're moving straight into provisioning to avoid wasted steps and speed up activation. After selecting Add Carrier, use the camera to scan the QR the carrier provided. If scanning fails, tap Enter Code manually and paste the SMDP Plus address and activation code exactly as given. You'll then assign a label to the ESIM so you can tell it apart from a physical SIM. Use descriptive names like primary or travel. Make sure you select which line handles data, calls, and SMS. Keep Wi-Fi on and wait while the Pixel provisions the profile. This step you finish by confirming the ESIM status reads active in network and internet. Then place a test call, send an SMS, and browse to ensure mobile data works. Once confirmed, set defaults. Choose your primary data SIM and preferred SIM for calls and messages in mobile network settings. If activation doesn't complete, restart your Pixel and retry the QR or manual entry. If it still fails, contact your carrier with the EMA and ESIM activation code. This single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.